Another simple eggplant recipe to create one pot meal, and I'm going to show you how to do eggplant and chicken patties. For this recipe I'm using 2 chicken breasts, a slice of bread, always use the corners of the bread, and 1 chili, this is optional, 1 onion, few cloves of garlic, 1 egg for the chicken and 1 egg for the egg wash, about half a cup of flour, salt, pepper and paprika to your taste, and half a teaspoon of vegetable stock powder and 2 medium-sized eggplants. So let's start doing this. Into a bowl of water, add 2 teaspoons of salt and leave aside. Into that, now cut the eggplants. When you cut the eggplants, make sure that you cut it a bit thicker, like about 3-4 centimeters. Put the eggplants into the salted water and leave few minutes. So it will stop the eggplants discoloring and also will give a bit of salty taste. Now into a food processor, add the bread, onion and the garlic and the chilies, salt, pepper and stock powder. If you like to add any herbs, this is the time to add the herbs, and few fresh parsley. Process it. After, break the egg and add the 2 chicken breasts. And it's ready. The consistency has to be like this, a bit sticky. That's why I added only 1 slice of bread. Now into the bowl, add the egg and some milk, about a tablespoon. Using a fork, mix well. Now get 1 piece of eggplant, then the chicken, and press and spread it all over. Make sure that you press it well and spread it nicely. Then dip it in flour. You don't need to dip this side, only this side. So after, dip it in egg wash. Prep them all and put them on a baking tray. You can bake this or even you can do it in the pan. One more. Take the chicken, press. And dip in flour and then in egg wash and put it on. I'm going to do all. If you are doing a keto diet, you can always omit the flour from this and the breadcrumbs and do only the egg wash and bake this or even deep fry this. And if you are very health conscious, you can always put this in the oven without pan frying it. And I'm going to do it in the oven too. So dip. And then egg wash. And a bit of breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs give a nice crust onto this. pack them on a baking paper and spray some oil on top. This goes to the preheated oven, 180 Celsius, about 20 minutes. I just took this out from the oven and this is how it is. If I cut one to show you, a nice meat layer and the eggplant, and make sure that you don't overcook this. So serve this with a nice chutney, a sauce or some sour cream or a dip with this. And I have uploaded few eggplant recipes that you can do as a one pot meal, and I will write everything in the description box below. Thank you for watching.